Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video upload user profile image. Now we add packages file picker, cache network image, Firebase storage and Firebase core. Then need connect Firebase, add Google service to JSON to app CRC and create Firebase options. How connect Firebase? I speak old video. Now we update main, write async and write widget Flutter binding, write ensure initialized and now we create initialize default, connect Firebase, write future, write void, write initialize default, write async and write Firebase app, await Firebase, initialize app, options, write default Firebase options dot current platform and we write log write up and add to string, save. Then we add initialize default to main, save. Now we create variable, write string photo URL, save. Then remove floating action button, save, remove comments and now we create upload file, write future, string, write upload file, string, write file name and write file path, async, write Firebase storage, write Firebase storage dot instance, write file, write file and write file path. Then we write try catch, Firebase exception, catch await, write Firebase storage, ref, images, write file name dot path file, then we write return, await, Firebase storage dot ref, images, file name, write get $URL, save, write log e dot message, write return null, save. And now we create model, image model, write class, image model, final, string, then write path, write final, string, file name. Now we create constructor, image model, this path, write this file name, and now we create function getFile. Write future and write image model, write get file, async, write final, write file picker, await, write file picker dot platform dot pick files, then write final, path, and write file picker, write files single dot path. Then we write final, write file name, write file picker dot files dot single dot name, write return and write image model, save. Now we open method build and remove a bar, then we write child, write Cupertina button and write on pressed, and write layout builder, write sizer box, then write async, write final and write get image, await, get file, next if, get image, path, is now empty. Write photo URL, await, upload file, get image dot file name, write get image dot path, and write set state. Save. Now we write if photo URL dot is now empty, return, write clip rect, write border radius, write border radius dot circular 100, and write child. Write cache network image, add photo URL, write else, return, sized box, write placeholder, context, URL, write center, and write child circular progress indicator, save, add const, then we write error a widget, write context, URL, error, write icon, icons dot error, save, then we write width 180, height 180, feet, write box feet dot cover. Then we write height 180, width 180, save, write child, icon, icons dot account circle, save, size 180, color, and write colors dot gray, add const, save. Now we open Firebase, rules, and add this permission. Now we open emulator and test our work. Select image, then look, that's all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.